Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Freepik files in Canva. This is a great way to bring high-quality graphics and design assets into our Canva projects. Let's get started. On our Canva dashboard, we may want to use Freepik files in our design. All we need to do first is open a new tab and type Freepik. Once we're here, we just need to choose the Freepik website. From here, we can browse images or create new ones. Once we're on the site, we just need to choose the image we want to use. If we want this one, we simply click on it. Let's make sure to choose a non-premium design, since we can't download premium files. This one is free to use. Now, we will go ahead and download this file. As we can see, there's the download button right here. Once the download is complete, we need to unzip the file. We go to our Downloads folder, and there are our Freepik images. Next, we will head back to Canva. We click on Uploads, then select Uploads again, and choose the Freepik files we just downloaded. Once everything is uploaded, the file is now ready to use in Canva. We can add it to any project or design we're working on. And that's how we use Freepik files in Canva. It's a simple way to bring external assets into our designs and create something great.